Okay guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're continuing the RimWorld series. So the last episode, we started getting up research, the colony is now functional, got big cropland, some cotton go on. It's going pretty smooth. Now before we get started, before watching this, you should probably go back and watch the other two RimWorld episodes, so that way you're not confused on what's going on. But yeah, we have a ton of wood, not much food. Do we have any bills? Yes, we have a bill. We have bills. Working on virtual table. Well, we can't help but if we get that sorted. Where's your double? Yeah. Fresh. So we can butcher that. Bills. Butcher creature. Whatever. I think that's smart. We have so much wood. This is really insane. We're getting a wind turbine. Researching batteries, right? Yeah. When we get batteries done, everything will be good. Amaya. Yeah, we have a pregnant. Oh, pregnant. So hopefully soon we'll be able to see that happen. We have some squirrel meat. We made a meal. Yeah, we made our first meal. Construction's botched. Oh. I don't know if you can change this, but if you want to have, if you know how to change this and you want to change, you gotta let me know some suggestions of what we should call it. Right now, I'll just call it the second. Second season. First. This second is now known as the second season. That's quite good, right? There's no wind, so if wind turbine's not doing anything. It's blocked by roof. Oh, this stops us from working. Psychic Soothe. Oh! Visitors, where I should be. Who's this naked guy? Why? Who's our social? Trade. Yeah. Stas, Levy on Mouthbook. We have some meals. Go juice, we only want that. Yeah, I don't have any go juice, so this way is fine. Negative numbers been sell. What to do around? Oh, in that sense. In 4 meals, so I don't really. Reinforced barrel, maybe? A fox sausage. I don't really want to do that. Batteries. I think to get this working, you have to mine. Hopefully there's no insectoids here to ruin the day. If that happens, we'll have to reload and rethink everything. But let's see. Do I have anyone on mining? Yes, Sergey is mining. Go after construction things. He'll mine. Just making sure we're going to get my gender right. Okay, now it's gonna go mine. Yay! And Rose. Sergey's gone to sleep. Oh, we have a cat. Annabelle. Who's Annabelle's? Animals. Annabelle. Lost up. No one's here. We're just sleeping for a while. With animal sleeping spot. I don't want animal sleeping spot. I want animal bed. I know there is an animal bed somewhere. Animal bed, yeah. Oh no! Don't really cloth. Sorry. No. Still sleeping on the solid wood. They all have knives. Wimp. Delicate. Very lost animal. Interaction 15. Industrious. I suppose it's quite good actually. Oh my. Interaction crafting. Tons of double rations. Not like any of those people are mine, but. Out. There's a cave here, and I'm really scared. That's gonna turn out to be a problem. I think cave is like, can you see the red and rain? It's like what thickens a bit. You can see the rain, that's where the cave is. That's not generating us any power, so our power's gonna run dry very soon. That's why we need batteries to be always like, what's mine's level? 6, it's really not great. We have a 13, but she needs to cook. What about from looking for a good bed? Let's go doctor ready. That's how I saw I have food stuff for the baby. Bills. Add bill. Make baby food times 4. Do until you have 10 because it's just one baby. Okay, let's do some hunting. My floors will probably kill me. Boomrats will also probably kill me. Sectoids will probably kill me. Okay, that's fine. We'll settle for a squirrel over here. Let's go! Don't leave! Butcher out soon. So what do we need done? I don't know exactly what we need done. Probably something important. The baby prep. Build a crib. No, where's the crib? Baby decoration. Toy box. I've got a toy box around as well. Where is the baby bed? Crib. Sylph. Crib goes right there. Cat. So, okay, I'm gonna have something called construction. Oh, we need some food now. I think this is actually quite urgent. Oh no. There's nothing to matter. None of it's properly grown. Hopefully we can just live off his rice. So I'm really, really, really hoping. The filth wasters. What's he doing? Oh my goodness. What is this guy look like? Wasteler? Super immunity. Toxic insurgency lungs. Aggressive and attractive. Gold head. Grey hair. Slate grey skin. Pollution. I can't talk. Pollution. Stimulus. Poor cooking. Awful animals. Poor artistic. Psychic dependency. Wake up impervious. It's a bit rough, buddy. Terrible stats. Where's he gone? I was told he's gonna go for the insectoids, but I'm not 100% sure about that. He's kind of just chilling here. Social. What's this one? Social. I want to see his social. What's he doing? He's kind of walking really, really slowly. Let's see what happens, man. Is that social? Oh, friends. Going about raincoats. And I chat about some stuff, you're in a colony, that's probably doomed to fail. But, you can have a fun time doing it. I don't know what Slice is really up to, he's really, really slow. Is he making his move? Or is he just sitting? He's kind of chilling. Not really doing anything. Okay, I was told that I go straight the insectoids instead of my base. It appears that's not correct. Just shooting. 0. That's rough. Oh! Come on. We're back. No! Melee attack. I'm really trying to hit Sergey. Go on, shoot him. It's literally right there. What are the injuries? Damned. Ambrosia. Lots of meals. Sandstone Club. Myers. Am I? Well. Undraft both of you. Yeah, you can go sleep, you go to bed, or what's rest and kind of just laying here. Alright, he's not really. Sorry, Slicer. Your chances of living is not very good. I want to like burn these drugs and stuff. I love this. Okay, we have slightly more meals now. How is the rice is not growing? This is really bad. We need some food. Rotting. Oh, someone's gonna hold it. Yes, go, Kaylan. If any of you guys want me to like rename these people, and like any suggestions you have for names, you can let me know. I'll definitely take them into account. I do read all comments. Yeah, we're gonna butcher this. Let's go. I don't know. That's not even there. Oh, we're getting so much food! Yay! So many meals. I'm not making any baby food though. That's mildly not. What do we need to use to make baby food? Eat out. Yeah, I can't. Like, no one's making the baby food. I kind of need some of the baby food quite quickly. Not entirely sure. These are, I don't know what those look bars are. Like, mine's really like, blue. What's our research skill going up? It's quite good. It's gone to a 7. Hopefully it was rice grows. Like a super random, that's not great. A lot of time it's just a ton of dead animals around. But there's a ton out to explore like in this area. Oh, hair self-shaved, yay. I need to find some food. Wildlife. There's so much stuff, like, I can't kill the mega scallops, or the centipedes, or the mega spiders. The buffaloes I can't, the grizzly bear I can't, the boomalope I don't want to. The lynx. There's not much. I wanted just to leave it away, I don't know why. Ibex. Yes, hunt. Hunting game crystal. Yes, go! Go fast, you're saving colony right here. Starvation, or that's not good. Might have hit awful hospital. About right. Like, if you're complaining about it's an awful hospital in this colony, you really just don't know what. Like, you expect to be living a life of luxury. You've, like, visioned up that. It should not be. No, stop. Let's remove that bill. Forget about leaving it on the. Still making simple meals. Oh, the rice is about to grow. Oh, yay! Battery is about to be finished. Everything's done. No food. Robots over. Days worth of food. We have plenty of food. The rice is getting harvested. Yes! Make some baby food. Please. We need some baby food. 20? We need 20 to make... Baby food, yes! 40? That was a slight mistake. Just remove that bill. Make baby food. Do a do of 10. Oops. Why did it make 40? That would definitely happen. Oh, how long took a baby? 3rd trimester. Okay. I think sadly this is where I'm gonna end this episode. You should definitely stay tuned for the next couple episodes, because we'll probably have a baby. We'll have some other stuff going on, like food will come back, rice is going really well. So yeah, we'll be waiting and we'll be checking out insectoids a lot more. It seems like we're getting bigger. Yeah, I hope you guys get excited for that. You should also check out some of the other content on the channel, like Prison Architect, Starcraft, Content Danger Zone, and much more. I think you'll enjoy that. And yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say. So I'll see you next time. When they go smarter, we go stupider. Peace.